Welcome to Max Convo World. Let's go to the beach. Jack, come on. We are getting late.
I am coming, Max.
What is in that bag?
Some fruits and snacks.
That is good. I was feeling hungry already. Ready for the beach?
Yes, I want to swim and relax.
Let's go then.
This view is so nice.
Yes. I love driving like this.
It's been a long time since we went to the beach.
You are right. Too long.
Do you remember when we were children?
What?
We went to the beach so often.
Yes, we made big sand castles.
We worked so hard on them.
Then the waves came and broke them.
But we did not feel sad.
Yes, we just built another one.
Those were amazing days.
Yes, you are right.
Max, look. We are here.
Yeah, I can hear the sea. It calling us. The air feels so fresh.
Yes. I love the smell. Let's find a good place.
Yes. Somewhere near the water, but not too close.
This spot is nice.
Perfect.
I am already hungry.
Me too. The drive made me hungry.
I brought apples and bananas for you.
Great, fresh food for a fresh day. It feels good to rest like this.
Yes. No rush, just the sea and the sky.
We should play volleyball now.
No, we play at the end of the day. First we do swimming.
No. I don't know how to swim.
No excuse today.
What if I sink?
You won't. I will teach you.
Is it hard?
No. It's very easy.
Okay. Maybe I will try.
Good. Today is the perfect day to learn. Come on, Max.
Hey, don't do that. I will use this.
Okay, that will help. Move your hands like this. Slow and easy.
I can do it, I think.
Max! Max! Max, wake up! Are you okay? Please wake up, my friend.
Yes. I am alive.
Oh, Max! I am so sorry.
It's okay.
It's my mistake.
Hey Jack, don't worry. I am fine now. Let's eat ice cream.
Ice cream?
Yes. And you pay for it.
Why me?
It's your punishment. This ice cream is so good.
Yes. Ice cream makes everything better.
You know, when I sank in the water, I was very scared.
Really?
Yes. I felt like it was my last day. My feet and hands could not move.
I am really sorry, Max. Thank God you are okay. I was scared too.
Don't be sad again. I will not leave you alone. If I died, I would come back as a ghost.
A ghost?
Yes. And I would irritate you every day, Fatty Bear.
Hey, you are crazy.
But alive.
Okay, let's go home now.
Good idea.
Now I drive.
Fine. Just don't drive into the sea. Test time! Tell me in comment what is in the Jack bag. And hit the subscribe button for more such videos.